In this video, I am sharing a small tip how we can prepare a home remedy during emergencies when we cannot reach a doctor or in need of immediate pain reliever due to sprain or any kind of joint pain. At first, we need to have pure turmeric powder or fresh turmeric and small amount of mustard oil. Many people consume turmeric to get relief from arthritis pain. The turmeric root is loaded up with curcumin, a phytonutrient that is the main source of the health benefits of turmeric. In my earlier videos, I have shared how people use turmeric for treating respiratory problems, digestion, mental health, liver health, joint health, and more. The curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, has a powerful effect on a variety of inflammatory conditions, including joint pain, and can help to control knee pain from osteoarthritis. After taking small amount of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric juice, I am mixing small amount of mustard oil. Mustard oil contains allyl isothiocyanate, which provide its effect on pain receptors in the body. Mustard oil is also rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that helps in decreasing in inflammation and relieve pain caused by conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. When we apply mustard oil in the body parts where pain is occurring, it helps to stimulate blood flow in the veins around the knee and reduce pain in muscles and joints. Mustard oil is used by many people to get relief from intense muscle pain and joint pains associated with rheumatoid arthritis. Heated mustard oil is also used as a home remedy to get relief from headache during a fever. During fever, when mustard oil is applied, it helps in relieving pain by stimulating blood flow and helps in treating cold and fever. A sprain may occur when our ankle is forced to move out of its normal position. Ankle pain, instability, and arthritis are common complications of a sprained ankle. Our ankle starts swelling due to sprain, and when we apply turmeric with mustard oil, it can provide immediate relief faster than a painkiller by stimulating blood flow in the veins around the knee and reduce pain in the sprain areas.